Hello viewers, welcome to my channel and my blog. Today I'm going to show you about my bird reaction. When I'm going to show him something, how he is going to react. Let's see guys. Viewers, আপনাদেরকে আজকে দেখাবো আমার কবুতর কি রিয়্যাক্ট করে যখনই আমি তাকে কিছু একটা দেখাবো। দেখুন viewers. Look at his reaction. Immediately he's mad on me. He gone crazy immediately whenever I do to him. Normally look at him once again. Normally he sit beside of me, peacefully look like a watchdog. Whenever I'm home, he follow me everywhere. He's just like to sit beside of me. He want attention. Just that's it. Guys, I am going to show you once again his reaction. Look at his reaction. How he mad on me whenever I do to him. Viewers, if you like video, please let me know in the comment. Thanks for the watching video.